Hey there guys, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to use or transform your words into captivating social media stories using Piggy.to. Piggy.to is an AI-powered social story maker that transforms your words into visually appealing videos and images. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to share a message, Piggy.to makes it easy to create and share stunning social stories. Piggy.to is packed with features that make it a game changer in the world of content creation. You can use it for social media, story maker, and transform short text into visually appealing videos and images for sharing on social media platforms. AI Quiz Maker. Create engaging quizzes that are perfectly optimized for mobile devices. Easy content sharing. Download your content and share it on any social media platform with ease. Capture your audience's attention with visually captivating stories and save your time and effort with AI-powered tools that automate the process of content creation. You can use Piggy.to to share quotes or messages on social media in a visually engaging way. You can also enhance your social media presence and engage your audience through captivating content, streamline the process of content creation, and maximize engagement and create interactive quizzes to test the knowledge or engage learners. Piggy Magic is easy to use. For desktop, simply visit its website at Piggy.to and choose the type of content you want to create, like stories, quizzes, and text summaries. Then, enter your prompt in the text box and it will generate your content quickly. It will send you the output of your email, and it even includes an option for you to export the final product as images to videos. For mobile version, you only need to download the app. The Piggy Magic app presents numerous content for you to generate. Piggy's Magic Duo functionality as a social story maker and AI quiz maker empowers users across various domains to effortlessly create visually stunning content and engaging quizzes. Whether you're an influencer, a business looking to enhance your social media presence, or an educator seeking to interact your audience with this tool, Piggy Magic provides an intuitive solution for captivating content creation and seamless audience engagement. The combination of its key features that it makes it a versatile and time-saving asset in the realm of social media and content creation. What are you waiting for? Sign up for their site and start creating your quizzes or social media stories. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.